Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make glass. So if you want to make glass, like I will create cup glass, you can use these controls. I will click in here and then you can setting like for the top radius. Okay, here is just for example. This is for the height. And then you can duplicate these objects, but first to make smooth, I will increase for the side. And then you can click this duplicate, click hole, so to be create the holes. And then I will set for the size. You can set for snap grid into 1. And I will click from this point. I will set it to 1 again into here. This. Another side you can move into 1. And in the bottom here, you can move to the top. Like in here, I will use roll tools. I will click in here. And then you can set in here into 1. After it, you can select all objects. And then you can click group. To make transparency, you can select the object, go to solid color, and then click transparent. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make glass. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.